Hey guys, what's up? InkIn's been really good to us here at FloatyTattoo. They've sent us lots of great cartridges, and now they sent me their wireless tattoo machine. You can find it on Amazon for $160. It's called the Nowta. Let's check it out right here, right now. Okay, let's check out the Nowta. As you can see, it's come in this great box, very nicely protected inside with the manual on top. So thank you for that. Looks awesome. Cool box. All right. Comes in 3 different colors. It looks like they sent me the silver. It comes in red, silver, and black. The silver one is very shiny. Looks cool. All right. I'm happy because I don't have this color yet. So that's cool. They just happen to send me a color that I like. So just briefly, I'm just going to go over the screen and then we'll talk about the specifications of the machine. I want to point out the nice LED panel I see here. Looks like it's at 5 volts right now. So turning it on and off, you hold down the power button. Looks like 1 tap for start and stop. And then we have the voltages up here. Looks like they go in 0.1 increments, which is great. I do like that control. The operating range is 5 to 12 volts, so you definitely want to stay right there. The lowest, that's 5 volts. I'm just going to put it up to 8 volts so you can already hear it sounds like a pretty powerful machine. It's a 2000 milliamp machine, so it should be pretty good. I can't wait to try it out on some silicone here. The Nowta works on this battery system here. This is the charger. It's a little unique in that, so we'll check that out. See what's under here. Looks like they sent a couple of needles, which I can try out. 7 round liner and a 13 curved mag, which should be good for our demo. Also InkIn cartridges. These are the Kelly green cartridges with the finger ledge. So these are very good cartridges. I love these. Thank you for sending them. All right, and then looks like we got a couple other accessories here. Let's see what this is. Aha, we got a battery. I got 1 battery and 1 cord. Okay, and that cord goes in there. Perfect. All right, now we know what everything is. Let me just put this to the side. Let's check this thing out a little closer. I just want to see what this battery system looks like inside. See a little opening here. Okay, that must be where they keep the battery. All right, so there's your second battery. Awesome. So that one's probably charged, I'm guessing. The charge time is 2 hours. So 2 hours charge time, not so bad. And that'll run your machine for 6 to 8 hours, they say. So we'll try that out. The Nowta has a 3.5 millimeter stroke length. So that is a little less punch than a 4 millimeter stroke length machine, although they say it's great for lining and shading. So we'll check it out and see what we think. All right, let's put a needle on here and get some silicone out. So let's put that cartridge on there. All right, nice fit. So we got a green, Kelly green cartridge on an InkIn machine. InkIn and InkIn, awesome. First time there. So as you can see, the needle depth is a nice clicky motion. So let's just turn it on. Holding down that power button for on. And it's at 5.1 volts. Start it up, no problem. We'll go up to about 6.3 volts. Start trying out the lining there and go up if we need to. So I'm just going to get a little bit of ink into this nice InkIn cartridge. As you can see, The tip of the cartridge is very visible, which I like. The clear plastic makes it easy to see the ink and what's going on with your needle. So I'm just going to draw a line here. The width of the machine feels good. It feels good in my hand, not too big. I'm going to go up just a bit. I'm at 6.8 volts. It's slicing through the silicone, no problem. It definitely sounds like it packs a little punch even for 3.5 millimeter stroke. It definitely doesn't hit as hard as a 4 millimeter stroke would, but it's getting the lining in. Let's go just a bit higher. I wouldn't really go past like an 8 volt for lining, really. I like to line in a lower voltage. I just want to see what this machine can do for lining. Okay, I'm going to take a break and wipe and just see what's going on here. Yeah, I would say I probably have to run it in a slightly higher voltage for lining with that 3.5 millimeter stroke, but I'm getting a nice, crisp, clean line here. I'm just going to go down a little bit though. All right, I'm at a 7 volt here. I'm trying another line, just slowing down my hand a little bit, giving the machine a little bit of time, just like I would on normal skin. That is a really nice straight line. Let's see how saturated we are. All right, seems like 7 volts is the way to go. Let me just try a little drawing then. So far, I do prefer the stippling with the liner to the lining for this machine, but let me try out this mag and see how that looks too. All right, let's try using this mag now. And the mag starts right up at 5 volts. I'll go up a little higher, 6. 6.5-ish here. I'm just going to shade this leaf a little. So shading that leaf went really well. This seems like a wonderful shading machine. I just want to see the patterning here. gonna drop down and do a little bit of black packing in there too. Let me go down to a 5.4. Just gonna turn it up a little in a higher voltage so I can see if I can sort of do like a sideways calligraphy style with the mag. That technique also lets me see how the needles are interacting with the machine too. All right, that completes my review on the silicone for the Nowta machine. So with the 3.5 millimeter stroke length, this Nowta is superb in its shading, in its stippling, in its saturating. However, it does lack a little bit in the lining because it is a 3.5 millimeter stroke length machine. I would recommend picking up a machine that's above a 4 millimeter stroke length if you're trying to look for a liner machine. I have many in my past reviews. However, this machine is great for all around fine line, stippling, shading, saturating. This machine's gonna do the trick, and it comes at a low price of $160. I don't think you can beat that. It's got a good weight to it, low vibration. This is one of the favorite machines that I've tried so far. So if you want to save some money and get a decent machine, please go pick up this Nowta. It's $160. Follow link in my description below. Get shading, get stippling, get creative, make it happen. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget, smash that like button and subscribe.
Thank you. Bye.